you've been trialling a very long time. Do you notice much that, has the standard changed much over the last 20 or 25 years, or have dogs changed, or what kind of changes do you see coming into the whole thing?
Well, the competition over the years has become extreme now. It has almost become what you would say nearly a professional job. Years ago, you'd have went to a trial when I was young and you'd have knew the maybe 6 or 8 people capable of winning or going to be in the prizes. Nowadays, you go to a trial and there's 50 out of them, 60 or 70 dogs. Anybody's capable of winning it nowadays. It's just the standard has become so strong and high, and